Hi there, welcome back. What I have today is a Securit deadbolt. I've put a magnet over this so we don't see the levers. And here's the button on the key. There we go. I will be using a homemade tool, and as a few of you might have seen in one of my last videos, if I can find it, my pick tool was made up of this, and I said it was cut out here so it wasn't done really neatly or anything. So I had another attempt at it, and this is the result of that one. It does have a group screw in, but even if you take the group screw out, it will not come out. And no group screw here either, so no chance of this coming out. And I didn't put a group screw under this, we just left it free, so depending on which way you were picking. And also it runs just on the curtain, so it doesn't matter which way you put it in. As in, if I put it in from the other side, the curtain still turns. If you can see there, it runs just on the curtain, so I would be able to pick it from both sides, but I will be trying from with the bolt on the left. So let's begin. Just get that wire in, turn down, and then just run through the levers, nice and gentle. I have been meaning to shorten this wire to get more control, as it was a little tip from Andy Mac to do so, but I haven't got round to that yet. Just feeling through the levers for binding ones, and we did drop into a bit of a false set there. So what I do now is go through and look for one that lighten up on the tension a lot, and it tries to turn. There we go. I know I might have dropped some other stuff there, but hopefully we've got that one picked. So we start again, just feeling through the levers. And there you have it. So there you have it, a Securit deadbolt picked, and let's have a look inside. Take this off. Actually, just put it over there. And I will be using the lovely lever pin and tray, well, lever tray, by what was sent to me by P Platten. Just hope everything doesn't spring out there. As you can see there, we have got all the levers present. We'll take them out and have a little look. Some of these have numbers on. As you can see, this was a new lock with all the grease on it. Can't see a number on it there. So just go through again. It hasn't got spaces because it does have a little crimp in the lever itself. There's a little crimp there and there. And again, no false gate on the top of that. On the last one there was a false gate on the bottom. That one's got a false gate on the top there. So I think that was the one I fell into. And again, you've got a false gate on lever 4. A lot of grease on this lock. Just trying to get this out. And again, no numbers on it to tell us what lever it is, and it does have a false gate on that one as well. So there you have it, the 5 lever Securit deadbolt picked and gutted for you. I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you. Bye for now.